Hello Aquarius, welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. I appreciate you for being here. And as you are listening, keep in mind that if you resonate with this, be sure to hit that thumbs up button before you go and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Also, I am running an exclusive sale right now where you can get a video reading just like this. Find out what's going on with you and your love interest. Also, get additional details about this connection as well. We will look at your real intentions and feelings about each other and some helpful tips and advice, kind of like an outcome for what's coming up for you and this person. And this information is going to cover a specific time frame coming up between you and this person. So if you want to know these type of things, I highly recommend getting that. The description box down below will have the link where you can follow that link and get access to your video. So Aquarius, take advantage of that. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. As you all know, August, I am channeling songs, music, words, scribe, sound at this time, as well as the focus being on love and relationships in this month for a lot of you guys. So the song that I have for you for the month of August, well, the end of August, should I say, is a song called In Love With You by Erykah Badu. And I think one of the Marleys features on that song as well, Stephen Marley. So that song is one of my favorite songs in the world, one of my favorite love songs. And the lyrics go, I'm in love with you, in love with you. And it's repeated 4 times. And then they say, and I'm so in love, baby. And I don't care what your mama say. Standing in love, lady. And I don't care what your sister say. I need you. Okay? So this immediately feels like it could be you or your person of interest feeling this way. But right away, I pick up an energy that there's opposition surrounding this connection between you and this person. There are people around the connection that do not agree with you guys being together, or people who try to disrupt the connection from moving forward, or who did not want to see you two being together at all. Maybe these people caused some problems in the past between you and your lover probably believed them, or vice versa. Maybe you believe them, okay? But there is an energy here where people are trying to interfere with the connection, and it is someone's mother and sister in this connection. Is specific. That's why I say I love channeling song lyrics. I love channeling music, because you can get really specific about what's going on. And this is just before your reading even starts, right? We're already finding out who's against the connection or who played a role in the connection not coming together. And that's somebody's mom and sister here, okay? Can be your family or theirs, but we're going to see maybe if this information comes out to see which side, okay? Some of you may already know. But let's see here. How do you feel about your person of interest during this time? It seems to be that you have very friendly vibes towards your person. Like, it seems like you guys are lovers and friends. Tell me again. Tell me again, my baby. Can we be lovers and friends? Okay, that's another song that I'm channeling right now for you guys. So, somebody wants to be more than a lover. More than a lover. More than a woman. So someone wants to be more than a woman, more than a lover, more than friends or whatever. So somebody wants that, and maybe this is you, Aquarius, but I think that there is a friendly friendship type of vibe between you and your love interest, or possibly you guys really are friends or associates, okay? But there is someone who really does like you a lot. It's a strong like coming from a friend that you have, and this can be a male or a female friend. Some of you will be surprised that maybe the same sex likes you, okay? Or vice. It doesn't have to be. It can just be that you and a person you're interested in are friends, but they have a strong like towards you. But this person seems to have a major crush on you, Aquarius. There's someone in your energy, and their family or friends may have been trying to stop them from talking to you. Their mom and their sister probably tried to stop them from coming towards you, or your mom or sister probably tried to block the connection from coming together. But it does seem like it's pulling toward their energy. It does feel like that. But it says, but it can, like I said, it can go either way. But I feel like they really do admire so many qualities that you have, Aquarius. They think you're smart, funny, creative, intellectual, expressive, kind, passionate about what you love or what you do. You're honest and you're real. You're very down to earth. I think that of all your qualities, this is the one that really makes them feel like they can just be friends with you and not only a lover to you. They can actually be your friend, your partner. They can really have a close connection or bond with you because of the way you carry yourself. You're very real to them, a real person, okay? And you may also be sort of like a social butterfly during this time. They always see you engaging in things that are mentally stimulating. Either you, when you talk to them, maybe you mentally stimulate this person. Maybe they love to talk to you because you can hold really great conversations. So you can be an excellent conversationalist and they love talking to you. Or maybe they always see you talking to different kinds of people, or maybe always seeing you putting yourself out there in some kind of way or in the spotlight in some shape or fashion. And this person loves when you do this. They love to watch you talk. They love to listen to you. They love to see you at work or at play where you're being yourself and you're being social, and you stimulate so many people's minds because you could be very smart. A lot of you could be very smart, very intellectual, very intelligent, right? So there's a lot of different things about you that they just watch you do what you do, and they love to watch that. This person gets inspired by you and entertained because they feel like being real is your thing, right? Being real is your forte. That's a strong character, a strong strength of character that you display. The idea that you're so real. I keep getting that. She said she wanted something real. Okay, that's a Lupe Fiasco song from like 2006 or 7 or something. It's called Real by Lupe Fiasco, and that's how the hook goes. So this person could be definitely into music. Definitely. You are them. Someone's in the music industry, or someone's connected to the music industry, or someone just is an avid listener of music, or music could be something that you have been really focused on a lot lately. You could be honing your skills, your crafts, or you could be listening to music more in the car, driving, whatever. You're just like really into this stuff, or you could be into music artists right now via social media. There's a lot about music, and apply it in your life however it resonates, but there's a music connection here as well. Maybe you guys connect with the same types of music. Maybe you like the same artists or the same styles of music, or maybe the way they express themselves to you is through music, or you express yourself that way. It's something like that going on here, but they just love this side of you. They love when you are really truly being authentic, when you're just really being yourself. They love to see that vulnerability that's peeking through from you right now, because you're just showing up as someone who is pretty normal, natural. They love to watch. It's something about you not wearing makeup that they love, okay? Some of you could be dealing with an Aries, or someone with strong Aries in their birth chart, since I believe Aries got that same message as well, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was Aries, but this person likes the natural part of who you are. They like to see you bare, bucket naked. For some of you, sorry, it just flipped. But this person definitely likes to see you flawless, right? Just they feel like you're flawless. You don't need makeup. You don't need to do extra stuff to your hair. Even if you wear makeup, you don't have to like be excessive with this. Like, it's something about the way you do what you do. They love your natural features. This person's all into you. If you notice like you're getting an increase in likes on your social media, people like Or maybe there's this one specific person that always likes your photos and they're leaving comments or just giving you this like energy that you can feel through their comments, their likes, or they're complimenting you a lot. That's the person. That is the person right there, Aquarius. That's the one who has a crush on you. And it could be a female, it could be a male, but that's the one. That's the one who really does like you so much, because you don't do what the other women out here are doing. Like you don't have plastic surgery and you have all this attention. You don't have lip fillers and you don't wear pounds and pounds of makeup and contouring your face and blush and lashes, and you don't do any of that, and you are so beautiful to them. And this person has a crush on just how you naturally are, okay? Now, how do you feel about this person? This is someone who, how do they feel about you? This is a person who feels happy and surprised, very surprised. You're surprising them, because I think maybe this is someone you do like. You're surprising them right now because they didn't think that you would still want them or still be interested in them after like all of these gestures that they keep showing you. They thought that they would push you away or run you away, because they feel like sometimes they're being a fan. It's like a fan of a fan. They feel like where you maybe should be the fan of them, you're not. They are a fan of you. I'm not saying that you're not a fan of them. I think that maybe some of you are a fan. Maybe you really like the way this person thinks as well. You may think that they're intellectual. You may love their talents. You may think that they're handsome or beautiful, whatever. But they are like super fan out when it comes to you. And they feel like, damn, well, I'm really a fan of a fan. Like I'm your biggest fan. So that's how this person feels, and they are shocked that you even like them back. This person is still in awe, all right, about this. Or maybe they just feel like, I can't believe that you still want to be with me after everything that I've put you through, or after everything that we've gone through. I can't believe you're still down for me. It makes them feel so thankful and appreciative of the chance to be with you again, or to love you. All right, still they're very thankful. They truly do have a thankful heart this time around, especially if this is a person who you have a little bit of history with. They're so thankful this time to really be in your life. For some of you, they're really apologetic about some things that they've done to you, but now I feel like they want to keep all of this drama free. They don't want any drama within this connection right now. They relate to you more in a new way. All right. They want to relate to you. They want to connect to you in a different type of way. They're connecting more with who you really are right now. They're not in a fantasy fairy tale about you. As much as they like you and as big of a crush they have on you, they're not in a fairy tale fantasy, some made up world about this. This person's like, this is the real deal, right? They connect with who you really are at the core, your soul's essence. They just accept you. They just accept you, like your flaws and everything. They don't care if you're like 10 pounds over, 30 pounds over, right? They don't care if you don't have it all. They don't care if you, that's what I'm saying. I think there is something here about some Aquarius out there feeling like to attract this kind of person, maybe you felt like you had to have certain things or look a certain way to attract them. But come to find out, man, they love you exactly the way you are, because you're not like everything else that they see. This person is attracted to rarity. If you're rare, you're theirs. If there's something that's setting you apart from the rest of the world, you are for them. Like if all the women that this person is around are like money hungry, clout chasing, they all look alike. They all look like Kylie Jenner and the Kardashians, but you come up and you are more like Erykah Badu, right? They love it. They're sold. they are the highest bidder. They want you, and they're going to do whatever it takes to be with you. And I think that that's what it is. Like, you're so unique to this person, right? So how do you see them? The numbers 37, 3, 7, 10, or 1 may be significant here. Could be their life path number, could be their birthday. In any kind of way, this is significant. The way you see them, you see this person having wings. This makes me say Red Bull gives you wings. But yeah, this person is someone who you can see the divinity in them. And what that means is that you can see the goodness in them. You see the truth in them. Like, no matter what type of reputation they may have around the hood or the community, the country, the land, whoever they are, whatever kind of reputation they have, you don't see that version of them. You may be the only person who doesn't see that. To be honest with you, everybody may say, oh, he's for everybody, or oh, she's promiscuous, or whatever. But you don't see that. You see this person's truth. You see this person speaking their truth, stepping into their truth. You know a secret about this person that the world does not know. You know that no matter how it looks on the surface, that this person is put here for a higher calling and has a huge mission in this lifetime to fulfill. And you see them actually working on it, actually in that calling, right? So you see something in them that is very, very rare. And how do they see you? They may be wanting to get you pregnant. Ta-da! This is a person who wants to be with you and impregnate you as soon as possible. They're trapping you. And cuffing season is coming, so this is a person who wants to cuff you. They want to cuff you before someone else does. They want to cuff you as soon as sweater weather comes through. I feel like this person's coming through. They want to finalize this whole connection by impregnating you so that you'll never ever like be detached from them ever. They want to always be connected to someone with your type of jazz, your flair, your vibe. Like they may have other mothers of their children or fathers of their children, but it's something about being connected to you that they would actually be proud of. So they see you in this maternal type of way, right? Like motherly, definitely fertile. They see you being very fertile. They just feel like you are this fresh bucket of seafood, right? Like they just, I don't know how to put this, you guys. They're just ready to dive in. They're ready to go straight in there and bloop, there's your pearl, oyster. So this is definitely a person who wants you for real. And then also they may see you coming up with a new business idea. Okay, the number 2 is significant here too, if I didn't mention that already. But yeah, this person has a sense of humor. I'm getting that strongly. So yeah, they've got a lot of positive energy toward you guys. This is really awesome. Thank you. God bless.